Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes Benz C Class. So from any screen, you see here, it was already on the the menu, but if I go off the menu, go into something like Navi, so it's on Navi, so we can either click the home button there and just scoot along here till we get to there's telephone, and click on telephone. You see you've got connect device there or options. Connect device goes against the grain because we're not connecting the device, we're deleting one, but click on connect device and you'll see there's my phone. It's the only one connected at the moment, so if I scroll down to there, on the side here you'll see an arrow and some lines. If we knock the rotary control across, brings up this new menu, deauthorize, details, reception volume, transmission volume. We want deauthorize, so then I click on deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? Yes and no. It's defaulted to no, but we want yes. Highlight yes, click the rotary control, it's gone.